Did you know that Switzerland has some of the highest paying jobs in the world and one of the best education systems? And guess what? You can study with low tuition fees, no IELTS or TOEFL, and maximum job opportunities after graduation. Imagine living in a country with breathtaking mountains, world-class universities, and endless career growth. Welcome back, my lovely friends, and thank you so much for always clicking that play button whenever I share a new video. And if you are just dropping by this channel for the first time, thank you so much for dropping by. I love you. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for Swiss universities step by step and get your student visa. So let's get started. If you are struggling to find and secure a fully funded scholarship, I've been there. That's why I created the 8-month scholarship workbook, a proven step-by-step guide that helped me win scholarships for both my undergraduate and graduate studies. This workbook will help you strategically plan your scholarship applications and navigate the entire process with confidence. If this is something you will be interested in, click on the link in the description box of this video. We are on the Google search page so that we can enter the website. We could get universities in Switzerland with low tuition and scholarships. Studyprograms.ch studyprograms.ch, and this will take us to the official website. So we click on here. I'm feeling lucky. We are now on the official website where we can apply for more than 3,700 study offers at Swiss higher education institutions. So we click on this place, find your study course. Here on this page, we would enter towards the left where my cursor is hovering. We would take advantage of the search filter to narrow down our study program. So a rhetorical example that I would use is economics. So you can enter any study program that you are interested in. But for this presentation, I'll use economics. So I would also go to the level where we would find the level, either bachelor, master, doctorate, whichever you are interested in. Now for this presentation, I would click on masters. So we want to explore universities that offer master's program in economics. If you would prefer or bachelor's, or you are working towards your PhD, which is the doctorate, you can click any of that. Another important sector is the language, right? We want to know the language of study because you can actually study in different languages. You have the English, French, German, Italian, and we would click on English because a lot of my audiences would prefer English. Now towards this place here, show only programs taught exclusively in the selected language. So you click on here because you want only programs that are taught exclusively in English. And when you are done with that, you apply filter. When you apply filter, it takes you directly to these courses. So you can see that we have 86 study programs economics, and these are the levels. So you see they're all master programs because that was the filter that we searched for. Then the institution is the university that offers this program. Then you can see the study program here, different study programs under the faculty of economics and location. And this is the credits, right? The credits for each study program. Now we would select one to see how we can navigate in applying towards this university and exploring other opportunities. You can click on the institution to be able to access the website. So if we click on any of this, you will be able to access the website and apply for your preferred study program. And I would advise you to go through all of them. They're quite a lot. So say let's try out the Universität Zurich. This is the behavioral economics. We are on this page, so Universität Zurich. Now, in order for you to take full advantage of all that this university offers, you would have to go to their website. But before then, let's just take a look. You see, it's a degree level program, master's. This is the name of the course or the study program, behavioral economics. Description, it shows you here. Study direction, economics, credits. You've got 30 credits, and each 6 semesters that you have. Each semester is 6 months. Okay, then the language is English. Remember, we streamlined our search, the filter, to give us just studies in English, and the location is in Zurich. Now make sure this is in English. Okay, it's English. You can see you can have it in other language but English so that you could read it. So we already had it in English, but I just needed to point that to you. So we want to take a look at the university. How would you do that? So if I go to a Google page, I would enter the university. So what you can do is copy the university, the name of the university. You go on Google search page to look for the university. So that university you have copied, you will just paste it on here. University Zurich, Universität Zurich. I'm feeling lucky, so it takes us directly to the website of this university. So this is the page, the university page, where you can explore all of these tabs. Now we click on study. So bachelor's or master's study programs. So this is their website. You click on the study programs. Make sure that the page is in English, right? So we are interested in the master's degree program, so we click on master's degree programs. So if you click on this all types, we type on behavioral economics here. We've entered it, so it returned this search, behavioral economics. So this is the course that we are interested in. Don't forget, we are on the official website, right, that we got from that page. So this is what the program is all about. What can you do with it? By specializing with a minor study program in behavioral economics, you require analytical and empirical knowledge, which can be put to use in both private and public institutions. For example, in the fields of human resources, organizational psychology, and political consulting. So these admission requirements. So you come here, admission to master's program. So you can read the requirements for this master's program here. Procedure. Admission to the master's program involves the following steps: application assessment by the university. So the university is going to assess you. The admissions office reviews the application based on the formal criteria set out by the Ordinance on Admission to Studies at the University of Zurich. You need a proof of language proficiency. Yes, students who intend to complete a degree program in language must present the necessary proof of English proficiency before study begins. You can find the information on the language in which the study program is. The FAQ, I always advise that you go through them, because then it shows you answers a lot of questions that you would want. Can I also start in the spring semester? Yes, at master's level it's possible. You can start. Can I study part-time? Application, how do I apply? You can apply online via the UZH application portal. So you can only apply. When can I apply? The master program can be started both in spring and in the fall semester. Please check the website of the admissions office. So you click on that to check the website. But let's go then the application deadlines. The admissions office formally checks the application. This means that it collects and verifies your documents. Please note the application deadline. So if you click on that, it will show the application deadlines. We could do that to just see the application deadlines and then the application portal. So this is how you would navigate on this, right? Look at their order. What do I need to be aware of? The GMAT, GRE, I need a visa. What should I pay attention to? You will find a detailed guide on how to proceed. So this course, this study program shows you how to even apply for your visa when you have been granted the admission. How much is the application fee? The admission office is responsible for the application fee. Please refer to their website. So there is an application fee. Now this is how to navigate in getting every information towards a study program from a university website. So you apply this way because you do not have an account, new account, University of Zurich. You saw how we navigated here, right? Then you go to university, you click your first name, your last name, your email, you repeat your email, you enter your password, you submit here. Okay, so that's how you can navigate to apply. So now we are back on the site where we can find, so you can also do that same way. So you scroll down, see the different pages. These are universities in Switzerland. See, there are quite a lot of them. So if you want to study in Switzerland, here you go, a lot of universities. And remember to enter your study program, right? This economics is just for a rhetorical example for this presentation. If you have been accepted into the university and you want to now apply for, you have been given an offer, you want to apply for a visa, you need to go to the embassy in your country and send them an email. You send them an email saying that you have gotten an offer from a university in Switzerland, any Swiss embassy, and let them know that you need the information for all the documents that is required in order to proceed for your visa, and they would help you no matter the country that you are applying from, either in Pakistan, Ghana, Nigeria, India, Kenya. This is where I have my audiences. You can just go to their embassy or send them an email, look it up online. They always have their email address and they will tell you the next step to follow in applying for your visa. This brings me to the end of today's presentation. So if you think that you have found any value in this content, make sure that you watch my last video where I shared a fantastic opportunity on how you can move to Canada for free, a fully paid scholarship to the University of McGill in Canada. Now this scholarship covers everything from your flight ticket, your accommodation, your travel expenses, and monthly stipend. So you can also share the scholarship with someone who would like an opportunity to study in Canada if you think that Switzerland is not what you are looking for. And also do not forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a member of this channel. What are you waiting for? Join this beautiful family. And also, if you're not following me on Telegram, make sure you join my Telegram channel, because there I bring content to you that I do not share on YouTube. And also kindly follow me on social media. On Instagram, I bring you beautiful opportunities there, and on TikTok as well. And I hope that you take advantage of this opportunity to study in Switzerland. I wish you good success as you study, and if you are being selected, kindly let me know, because we would love to hear testimonies, because this is what the channel is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, think big, think success.